Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through likely questions people do ask, like, can you borrow games on Steam? Yes, you can borrow games on Steam using Steam family sharing. These features let you share your games library with friends and family so they can play your games on their own account. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step guide on how you can now borrow games on Steam, and make sure you watch the video to the very end because don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because you're helping out. So let's get started. So how to borrow games on Steam, which is the family sharing. Enable the Steam Guard security, which is to open the Steam app. Open the Steam, then go to the settings, then click on security, then click on enable Steam Guard. Then after that, you have to authorize a friend or a family member's device. So to do that, log into your Steam account on their PC, then go to the Steam settings, click on family, then click on authorize this device. Then check the box next to their Steam's account to grant access. And after that, log out, let them play. So to do that, your friends, which is your family, can also now log into their own Steam accounts and access your shared game. And that's how they can simply borrow games on Steam. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.